Welcome back. That's Lina girl over there. You don't know how whistle.
I know, I was just faking you.
Davey D's over here. Time for some shakas and shoutouts.
All right, let's kick it off with shakas and shoutouts to Kumo Productions. It collaborated with Walt Disney Animation Studios to bring Hawaiian language versions of Moana and Moana 2 to Disney+. Both debuted globally on February 1st.
Nice. Now, to celebrate, Kumo Productions will be hosting the official ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi premiere of Moana 2 on Saturday, February 7th at the Great Lawn at Kahalehoʻikeʻike o Bihopa, the Bishop Museum.
The free event from 4 to 9 p.m. will feature the live outdoor premiere of Moana 2 in ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi, live cultural performances, and a family-friendly community celebration honoring Hawaiian language revitalization.
Now, family, the event is free, but registration is required. We'll give you details on that coming up. But first, shakas and shoutouts to the Hawaii Environmental Film Festival. The inaugural event opened to a standing room only audience at the Inspiration Hawaii Museum, drawing more than 200 attendees from across Oahu and really exceeding expectations for a first-year event.
The evening featured screenings of Waters of Pu'uloa and Malamamakua, followed by a facilitated panel discussion on military land use, water protection, and environmental accountability.
The Hawaii Environmental Film Festival will continue with Part 2, Aloha Aina in the Courtroom, on April 18, 2026, in recognition of Earth Day.
And shakas and shoutouts to Hawaii State Archives. It just made researching your family's history, from marriages, deaths, or even land rights, a whole lot easier.
That's awesome, because I know you do a lot of genealogy work.
I do. This is important. It's not hard, but you got to search.
You got to have the info, yeah? So the State Department of Accounting and General Services, Hawaii State Archives Division, just digitized and uploaded over 5 dozen volumes of indexes.
Indices.
I was going to say that. Okay, indices for the public to use for free. By the way, you can find the link for the Hawaii State Archives and everything we just talked about in shakas and shoutouts at kitv.com/links.
All right, I got one final one, brother. Shakas and shoutouts to our friends at Enjoy Snacks, because it's time for monthly munchies.
It's time to enjoy life. It's time for Enjoy Snacks.
Now, this month is the month of love, and Enjoy has got all the feels. In fact, Enjoy has a product that expresses something we all feel. We love Hawaii.
That's true, very true. The folks at Enjoy wanted to thank all of you for allowing them to be a part of your romantical moments, from movie nights with their arare to weddings and special celebrations with their 3D gummies and candies.
That's right. Enjoy is partnering with Hawaii State Federal Credit Union for the month of February. They're celebrating their 90th anniversary and have a special We Heart Our Members, like We Love Our Members campaign this month. Visit hawaiistatefcu.com for more information. In fact, the featured product is We Love Hawaii. Woo!
Ooh, okay, so what you got over there? Oh, you got the arare, the premium arare.
We do, and We Love Hawaii, the smaller bag.
Oh, both sides.
Yeah,
both
yeah,
sizes.
yeah.
Ooh, and these are available right now at Long's, Walgreens, and select Walmart locations. Again, show your love for Hawaii, show your love for Enjoy Snacks, and go pick these up. And then, I'm holding something with choke stuff inside too. Is it the wrong side? Am I holding it the wrong side? Okay. There we go. Look at it. Enjoy Snacks and put Island Life Live on top.
Oh, this is so sweet. I love it. And we love everything in this bag. in this
But
basket.
we have to give this away.
Okay, let's do that.
This is actually a prize. kitv.com/contest. You can go ahead and enter to win this, again, for our monthly munchies from Enjoy Snacks. And we have the good luck candy inside there. Is that no, that's not the good luck candy.
That is.
Oh, that's the good luck candy, okay.
That is. Got the lychee, the Thai tea, hard candies. We got, the gummies. Oh, yum. And of course, all of that wonderful premium arare.
kitv.com/contest to enter to win this prize pack. But of course, again, you can go to some of the select locations, Long's, Walgreens, and some Walmart locations to pick up these.
Because we love Hawaii and we love Enjoy Snacks.
It's time to enjoy. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna say.
Yeah, please don't. Quiet.
Let's take a break. We'll open these up. We'll be right back with more Island Life Live.
Which one you like? Big one, small one?
I'll take the small one. I'm watching my weight.
Liar.